Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So guys, often what happens is that we tend to forget to take a backup of our very important files or documents, or maybe some videos or photographs which are very important to us. And in that process what happens is that sometimes our device, our external device gets corrupted, or our system crashes down in fact, or sometimes by mistake we delete the files that we have. And these files are sometimes very important to us and we later regret it. Once we see that we are unable to recover those files, we later regret it. So I thought of talking about a software basically which will help you guys to recover all the deleted data or the data which has been removed by mistake, and then and such software are there in the market. And probably this software that I'm talking about today is Recover It by Wondershare. And this is basically a very helpful software that I have been using it, and I thought of sharing the same with you all. So let's start the video and I will show you. It's a very 3 steps kind of an process wherein you can recover all the deleted files or data that you always wanted to keep a backup of it. So now guys, let's start the video, and worry not, all your files will now get recovered through this software. So let's start. So guys, now that you can see the screen here, and if you see, this is the web page that I have opened up. As you can see here, it's mentioned as Wondershare, and this is basically the website through which I will leave the link in the description box below, wherein you can go and check out the website. Now as you open up the website, you will be welcomed in this way, and like the software that I have been talking about is Recover It data recovery system. Now this is available for both for Windows as well as for MacBook, so it totally depends on you how you wanted to do it. And what it is being mentioned here is that it is a trusted 5 lakh data recovery user since 2003, which is quite some time now. And you can recover your deleted files, photos, emails and many more, and you can restore it from your PC, MacBook, hard drive, USB, SD card, etc. Free file scan and preview before recovery. So basically this is what the software is, and the files that you can do is you can in the format that it supports for recovery is NTFS, FAT and HFS plus and APFS with no data. So basically these are the kind of external drive or the pen drive that we use with certain kind of formats like NTFS and FAT, probably, which you might all be aware of. And it also talks about, as you can say, it talks about the recovery rate and all, which you can go through it. Like I have told you, there are 3 steps for the recovery process, as you can see here, which is quite simple. First, you need to download and launch the recovery software. You need to scan the disk, and you need to restore your files and preview recorded files and get them back. So I will show you basically how it happens. So as you can see here, there's a download option for Mac. So as I'm using a MacBook, I have already downloaded the software. And so guys, as you can see that the software is opening up, and these are the first screen which you will see. Basically talks about the devices which are there. So it's talking about, or it's showing the internal devices or the hard disk which is there. And you can see that there is one external device by the name No Name. So basically this is a pen drive that I have been using it, and the format, as you can see here, is FAT32. Also you can scan and recover files from different sources, like from the trash, from desktop, or from any kind of selected folder. There is also an advanced option of recovering your crashed computer if your computer has been crashed, or if you want to do some kind of video repair or any kind of advanced video recovery that you wanted to do. So what I will do is that I wanted to recover, now that I will I'll go to my files and folder section. I will go to the pen drive that I have inserted in the laptop. Now you can see that in this pen drive there are 4 files. So what I will do is that let's take both PNG and IMG PNG. I will delete these 2 files. Now it has gone to the trash bin. What I will do is that I'll open up the trash bin. Here you can see I've opened up the trash bin, and what I will do is that I will delete from the trash bin 2. Now empty bin. So it's asking me whether I should empty the bin or not. Now the bin is empty. Now you can see that in the pen drive by the name No Name, there are only 2 files now. The other 2 files has been deleted. So what I will do here is that I will close this. I will now go to the Wondershare Recover It software. I will click on the pen drive that I have inserted in this laptop by the name No Name, and what I will do is that I will start the scanning process. Now what happens in this scanning process, basically it scans all the data that I have. As you can see here, it's scanning all the data and devices that I have previously also deleted. Now it's showing all those that has been deleted. It will try to give an option which will help us to recover those files. So guys, these are the two files that was being deleted. So what I've done is that I have selected both the files. As you can see here, it's being tick mark here, and I will press on the Recover It. Now once you press on the Recover It, you will see in your pen drive that those two files has been added. So basically guys, what I am trying to say here is that through this software you can recover all the deleted files which was being deleted by the mistake, and now you can recover it. This is basically a paid software. You will have to pay a certain amount. There is a monthly and yearly package which is there, but you can also use it if you can download it, and there are certain criteria which you need to fulfill if you wanted to use it for free. But I would highly recommend this software if you are looking for any kind of data recovery kind of an software and you wanted to recover your old data, then you can go for it. So guys, I hope you have liked today's video, and do like, comment and share this video, and do let me know if you want more such informative videos. Then I will make such videos for you all, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you.